Hello and welcome back. This is the Motley Reviewer, and this is going to be my unboxing of Transformers Studio Series, Transformers Bumblebee, Ratchet. So first we're going to cut the tape on the top and pull him out. And we're going to take a quick look at the backdrop. Let's follow Cybertron basically. Then we got the instructions and the paper. Instructions. Then we got, let's take a quick look at the box. We got Ratchet. Ratchet's obligatory product shot, backdrop included. Ratchet. Transformers Bumblebee. And that's it. Let's get Ratchet out of his packaging. It looks really good. Let's get his gun real quick. Gotta rotate it and push it out. I'll put this on the side, give him his gun. Have him hold it. And that's it, and that's all, and I'll see you in the next video. See you then.